Picked up the new Canik TP9SFX today and just wanted to do a short review of what you get. Here's the box. You can see it comes with a paddle holster, two 20-round magazines. This is the blackout model, the all black one. Comes with mag release extensions right here. I don't have one on it because it's big enough for me like it is, but there's a few different sizes. Comes with fiber optic sights. You can change it to green or orange, either one, or the red. It also comes with instruction manual, extra back straps to fit your hand. This is the smaller one. It fits me pretty good. Cleaning rods and some plates to go on top. You can remove this, put a red dot on it. It has the cutouts on the slide to lighten the weight. It's a really nice gun for the money. For $5.29, it's a lot of gun. I'm not going to shoot it today. We'll do a shooting video later. But that's what you get with it.